Let's face it, celebrities fascinate us. We're so inundated by glossy images of near-perfect people that we can't help but want to look the very best we possibly can. If you're watching this video, chances are you're interested in how a rhinoplasty, commonly referred to as a nose job, can help you. Whether you want to improve your look or you're simply having a hard time breathing, this video will give you all of the information you need to see if you're ready to make a change. Although there's no such thing as a perfect nose, and one size definitely does not fit all, an ideal nose should be symmetrical and proportionate to your face, free of bumps, and should function properly so you can breathe with ease. Before moving forward with a nose job or any cosmetic enhancement, there are basic guidelines you should keep in mind when deciding if the procedure is right for you. And, as with any major decision, you should weigh the pros and cons, make sure you're well educated and informed, and do everything possible to minimize the risks. The first and most important step is choosing the right doctor. While any doctor can call themselves board certified, a true specialist is one who is actually board certified in facial plastic surgery. Put your mind at ease by checking your doctor's training, credentials, license, and board certification. Next, you need to determine if you are a good candidate for the procedure. A good candidate is one who has realistic expectations and one who is willing to follow the doctor's pre- and post-surgery plan to a T. This should be determined during your consultation, and you should be prepared to have an open and honest conversation with your doctor. The more you're able to clearly express your expectations, the easier it will be for your doctor to exceed them. Your doctor should put you at ease during your consultation, so don't be afraid to ask questions. You should ask to see before and after photos of similar procedures they've performed. Did you know that some doctors can even provide computer-generated simulations of how you could look post-procedure? You may also want to bring in pictures of noses you like, but keep in mind, these pictures are for inspiration only. Just because you like something doesn't mean it's right for your face. The more you share with your doctor, the more likely you are to be pleased with the final results. So make sure you clearly communicate what you want, and more importantly, what you don't want. Establishing the look that's best for you is the fun part, but it's important to understand potential complications, alternative options, recovery time, and any modifications you may need to make should you decide to move forward. Don't forget to ask these questions during your consultation, and don't be afraid to ask about additional fees or payment plans. Gathering all the necessary information will help you make an informed decision. And as any good doctor will tell you, an educated patient is the best kind of patient there is. Once all your questions are answered, it's time to book your appointment.